Hello everyone. Today we're going to recognize the letter N. Letter N. What sound does the N make? It makes the N sound. It's a stretchy sound. Shall we write the letter N? We're going to start from the top, all the way down, up again, down again across, and then up to the top line. Well done. Letter N. Shall we write the N sound? We're going to start from the middle line, from the top, and then we're going to go down, up again, and then round and all the way down. Fantastic. Well done. N sound. Can you see the letter N? Let's name the letters. M, G, N. Can you point to the letter N? Well done. Super work. Again, let's name the letters and find the letter N. C, N, L. Can you point to letter N? Super job. Well done. Now, can you see the N sound? Let's say the sound. J, N, K. Can you point to the N sound? Well done. Super job. Again, we're going to find the N sound. M, L, N. Can you point to the N sound? Well done. Super job. Let's find all the N sounds. Well done. We found the first N. Super work. Well done. Great work. Another N. Well done. Are there any more? Super work. Well done. Great. Yes, you found the last one. Fantastic. Let's spot the letter N. Well done. You found the first N. Great work. Well done. Well done. Fantastic. Well done. Can you see any more? Great work. Yep. Fantastic. We found all the letter N. Which picture starts with the letter N or the N sound? Let's name the pictures. Necklace, ring, earrings. It's not the ring. It's not the earrings. Well done. It is a necklace. Now 3 more pictures, and we're going to look for the picture that starts with a N sound. Arm, leg, nose. It's not the arm. It's not the leg. Well done. Nose. Let's think about a word that starts with the N sound. N, e, t, n, e, t. Net. Great work, well done. Let's think about another word that starts with a N sound. N, e, s, t, n, e, st. Nest. Well done, super work. Well done, everyone. You did a fantastic job. Well done. Great work. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Wow, look at that. A cute snowman sticker just for you. Fantastic job. Well done. Now, bye-bye, and remember, keep on practicing.